this one on the street, and surely I know I can use it, so I bring it home. We're cutting it into pieces because we're gonna use for our Philippine lantern. We're gonna use this stuff. We're gonna use our individual lights. This stuff, we're gonna use this. Yeah, I bought this one at 99-cent store, and this is the inside. Okay, we have bamboo sticks, and I bought this hula hoops. They're 99 each, so it's something to do for fun during Christmas. Of course, we're gonna use nylon. Okay, we're gonna start it. We're gonna cut this one to pieces. We're gonna use this one. This one is a colored plastic cellophane, colored cellophane. You tie it here. So when you tie it in here, put this bamboo together, and it's going to be look like this. One, and then this one, and like this. Okay, so to make a star, we're gonna make a star like this and like this. Okay. Here. So we're making one star. This is how it looks, and another one. So you can put together here. You have to tie it right over here. Tie it here. We are tying here, hiding here, here, here. So this, we're gonna insert some stick over here. We're done with this one, and I'm gonna put this one here in our hula hoops. We're gonna tie it here, and standing like this, we're gonna put the light over here.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Mamacita, ¿dónde está Santa Claus? ¿Dónde está Santa Claus? And because I don't believe, Mamacita, where is Santa Claus? I look for him because it's Christmas Eve. I know that I should be sleeping, but maybe he's not far away. So I close the window and peep in, hoping to see him in his sleigh. I hope he won't forget to bring his castanets and to his reindeer say, "Oh Pancho, oh Vixen, oh Pedro, oh Blitzen, ole, ole, ole." Mamacita, ¿dónde está Santa Claus? ¿Dónde está Santa Claus? And because I don't believe, I saw jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up those feet.
Our Christmas lantern is finished. This is ready to hang. You see? And I have lights here, both side. I can turn this on. That. Look at the light. And then we can turn it off. And the same as the other side. There. It's my pandemic Christmas decoration. Pandemic.
It's
Pandemic.
recycle Santa.
Yeah.
Holy moly, Beth!
What?
You really made this.
Yes, I did. That's my pandemic Christmas decoration.
They say he was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found. Oh, when they placed it on.
It's my creation. So cool. Ah, so beautiful.
So you have to.
And look at my pandemic Christmas. Christmas. This looks Philippines now. And next video, I'm gonna show you my Christmas lights.